Hi everybody. Today we are going to make chickpeas curry or kadala curry. The ingredients are chickpeas 1 cup. I have soaked it in water for 12 hours. Chopped onion 4 numbers. Grated coconut half a cup. Chilli powder 2 teaspoon. Turmeric powder half a teaspoon. Coriander powder 2.5 tablespoon. Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. Mustard seeds 1 teaspoon. Red chilli 2 numbers. Salt. Some curry leaves. Oil and some water. Transfer chickpeas to a cooker and add half portion of chopped onion, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, and salt. Pour water just to cover the chickpeas. Wait for 5 or 6 whistles. Six whistles over, put off the flame. Heat a little oil in a pan and salt chopped onion and grated coconut. Saute it till the coconut becomes brown in color. Now the color has changed. Add coriander powder and saute for 1 minute. Now put off the flame, allow it to cool and grind this into a fine paste. The paste is ready. Now the pressure has come down. Let us open the cooker. It has become soft. Now add garam masala powder and the paste. Add a little more water and cook for 5 minutes. Now add 1 tomato. It will give a different taste. This is optional. Now cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes over. It's ready now. Put off the flame. Heat oil in a pan and splatter mustard seeds. Now add red chilies and curry leaves. Add it to the gravy. It's ready now. Chickpeas curry or kadala curry is ready. You can have this as side dish for puttu. Try this and give us a feedback.